Do you want that smooth motion effect you see on viral TikToks and Facebook Reels? This CapCut trick gives you the same flow. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Let's preview the video first before editing it. Now, go to the toolbar and tap on the speed option. From here, select curve. This is where the speed ramp magic happens. You'll see different presets like montage, hero, bullet, and more. Each one automatically changes your video speed at specific points to create dynamic motion. Once selected, you'll notice small speed points on the curve. You can drag them down to slow down the video or drag them up to make the speed faster. This gives you full control over when and how fast your video transition between speeds. Now, if you want total creative control, you can select the custom preset. From here, move the playhead to specific moment where you want to adjust the speed, then drag the curve up or down to create your own unique ramp. Customize the speed preset until you're satisfied with the result. After that, to make your slow motion effect look more natural and cinematic, make sure to enable smooth slow motion effect. Once you're done, preview your video to make sure everything flows smoothly. If you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've just learned how to create that smoothest speed ramp effect in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.